Listen to the story carefully. Story 178. The Meal Prep Plan. Elena stood in her kitchen, staring at the fridge filled with leftover takeout boxes. She had been eating on the go a lot lately and wasn't feeling her best. That's when her friend, Zoe, called her. "Hey, Elena, how's it going? Are you still eating a lot of fast food?" Zoe asked, knowing Elena's busy schedule. "Honestly, yeah. I've been too tired to cook and it's just easier to grab something quick," Elena admitted. Zoe paused. "Have you ever tried meal prepping? It's a game changer." Elena raised an eyebrow. "Meal prepping? What's that?" "It's when you plan and prepare your meals in advance for the whole week," Zoe explained. In 2099, people use smart meal planners and apps to create grocery lists, cook and store food efficiently. It saves time and helps you stick to healthier habits. Elena thought about it. "That sounds like it could help me stop eating junk food. I'll give it a try." Zoe smiled. "I'll show you how to get started. Trust me, it's so worth it." Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.